Hi everyone, today I'll be making pineapple banana bread. What all goes into pineapple banana bread? 3 cups flour, 2 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 large eggs room temperature, 1 1/4 cups canola oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla. If you want a little bit more banana flavor, then I would use a 1 teaspoon banana extract and 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1 8-ounce can crushed pineapple drained. This is 20 ounces, so I'm going to have to separate it and drain it. 2 cups mashed ripe bananas, 4 to 5 medium. I have 4. So let's begin. So I took my 20-ounce can of crushed pineapples, I drained it, and then I'm weighing it, and it's exactly 8 ounces. However, if you had a regular 8-ounce can of crushed pineapples, the juice would take up some of that 8 ounces. So this may be just a little bit more than what I need, but I don't know how much the juice would weigh, so I'm just going with this. Preheat the oven to 350. Take 2 9x5 loaf pans and grease them with nonstick cooking spray or butter. And I like to wipe them down just so they all get in the crevices, so there's no place for it to stick. And we'll set those aside. Take a large bowl, dump in your 3 cups of flour, your 2 cups of sugar, your 1 teaspoon of salt, your 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and your 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And mix that together until thoroughly combined. Take another bowl, dump in your 3 eggs, your 1 1/4 cups of canola oil. Give that a whisk. And your 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or 2 teaspoons if you're not using the banana extract, and the 1 teaspoon of banana extract. And mix that. Add your pineapple, which was 8 ounces, and your 4 mashed bananas, and mix that up. Then take your wet ingredients and pour them into the dry ingredients. And mix that until just combined. So pour into 2 greased 9x5 loaf pans. And they look pretty close to being even. So put your pineapple banana bread in a preheated 350-degree oven for 60 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. So I took these out of the oven after 55 minutes. Let's see if they are done. We'll put a toothpick in them and see if they come out clean. That one is clean. Flip this toothpick over. And that one is clean. So what I like to do anytime a bread or a cake come out of the oven, I like to go around it with a butter knife just to break it away from the pan, so when you take it out of the pan, it will come right out. Then we'll let them cool for 10 minutes, and then we'll take them out of the pan. So after 10 minutes, I flip them over onto cooling racks. So we'll let these totally cool, and then when Dave gets home, we'll do a taste test. So here is the pineapple banana bread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I don't think I need a fork. I'm just gonna. Nobody can see this. I'm not just gonna pick it up. Okay.
You look perplexed.
Well, I am. What is this?
Pineapple banana bread.
Okay. Because when I when I smelled it, it smelled kind of like banana bread, and then there's little chunks of pineapple in it, and I couldn't for a minute I wasn't sure if it was chunks of pineapple or if it was some kind of a nut, but then it had that kind of a pineapple-y flavor, so that explains it. Pineapple banana bread.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.